Hello guys from Good Geeks. This is your technician here, Eli, and we have a PS5 that needs a HDMI port and a USB port to be repaired. So we're going to take this unit apart. Hopefully there's no roaches, because trust me, these things love to be in roaches. I don't know why. I guess the electricity in them. And anyway, so let me get to it. So tear it down, and then you're going to see the next process being over here in the microscope, and you're going to see the board and all that magic stuff. So let's get to it. Alright, we got the shell off. Let's go. We got the little cool little tool here. So let's take this apart. Alright, we got it off. Put that to the side. Now for this part. Oh yeah. Take that off. Take the DVD Blu-ray off. DVD, Blu-ray, whatever, same thing. Look at that. We have so many screws here. Gotta take them all off. Jesus. So let me pause here and we'll get back to it. And here's the motherboard. So now we have the HDMI, as you can see, that's all janked up, and the USB port here that's all janked up. If I can zoom in, let's see. I'll zoom in, focus. Focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, you can see that they're all messed up, especially this one right here. Focus. Focus. Good enough. Anyway, these are the parts. And here's the on the microscope, so you can see it. So let's get to it. Let me go ahead and start replacing them. I was like, oh, here. Alright, so we got the unit together, so let's go ahead and test it out. Let me connect HDMI, power, that's already set to HDMI 2. Give it a second. There we go. Not to give it a sec, it might take a while. There we go. Welcome back, PlayStation. So now, everything should be good. As you can see, I think one of these is replaced. So I'm not sure because I'm not sure which side it is, but they're replaced, and that one's fixed. So that is it. So now to put it away, call the customer, and for them to pick it up.